guys, welcome to Pep's YouTube channel. My name is Sarahi and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make homemade Play-Doh at home with just a few ingredients that you can probably find in your kitchen. You can find this recipe online on our website, which I'll link down below. And if you guys want to learn how to make this quick and easy recipe with your kids, just keep on watching. Okay, and for the ingredients, you're just going to need 3 basic ingredients. We're going to be using all-purpose flour, salt, and any kind of cooking oil. Today I'm going to be using corn oil, but you can use vegetable oil or olive oil. And then you're also going to need some warm water, which I just put in this mug over here. And then some of the supplies you're going to need is just a bowl to mix everything in with, and then a spoon and or a tablespoon measurement. And if you guys have all this, then we are ready to make our homemade Play-Doh. Alright, so we're going to start off with our wet ingredients. You're going to want to mix in 1 tablespoon of warm water with 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. If you don't have a tablespoon measurement, that's fine. You can just use a spoon. And then we're going to use a spoon to mix that in. Alright, and now we're going to mix in our dry ingredients, which is going to be 1 tablespoon of salt with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is a great time to get your kids involved in this activity. You can ask them, are the cooking oil and the water dry or wet ingredients? What about the flour and salt? Alright, so you guys are going to want to mix the wet and dry ingredients together until it looks and feels like Play-Doh. And then at this point you want to ask your kids, does the consistency of this Play-Doh look too wet or too dry? If your kids think that the consistency is too dry, say, oh no, should we add more water or more flour to make it better? If you see that the Play-Doh is too dry, then you're just going to want to add a few drops of water. If you think that the consistency is too watery, then you're just going to sprinkle on a little bit more flour until it becomes thicker. Alright, once you have mixed in all your ingredients, you want to start playing with it with your hands, and you can take it out of the container. If you want to add color and have food coloring at home, you can squeeze a few drops of food coloring into the dough. This is a great opportunity to learn about color. You can have your kids point at different food coloring tubes and ask the kids to name the colors. For a real science experiment, you can mix 2 primary food coloring dyes, such as red, yellow, and blue, and have your kids name the colors you made. For reference, red and yellow equal orange, yellow and blue equal green, and blue and red equal purple. You want to keep your dough in a sealed container, and you can use it over and over again. Alright you guys, and that's it. That's how easy it is to make homemade Play-Doh at home with your kids during this quarantine season. You can use this Play-Doh to teach your kids about shapes, about colors, anything you want them to learn about by using food coloring or anything that you have in your house. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more pet videos. Bye guys, thank you.